Do you know the 20 most common verbs in Swedish? Let's find out together. Hej allihopa and welcome back to Swedish by Hanna. Today we're going to go through the 20 most common Swedish verbs, the different forms, and I'm going to give you an example sentence with each verb. These are the verbs that you will see and hear every single day in Sweden. Grab a notebook because these are the verbs that you need to know if you want to be able to reach A2 level Swedish and beyond. So let's get started. Bonus tips, pause the video and repeat the words after me for some extra pronunciation practice. Vara, vara. Jag är trött idag. Jag är trött idag. I am tired today. Bonus tips, it's spelled är, but the pronunciation is usually är. Jag är trött idag. Ha. Hon har 2 katter. She has 2 cats. Göra. Vad gör du i helgen? What are you doing this weekend? Säga. Han säger att han kommer senare. He says he will come later. Komma. Kan du komma hit? Can you come here? Gå. Vi går till skolan varje dag. We go to school every day. Se. Jag såg en film igår. I saw a movie yesterday. Veta. Jag vet inte. I don't know. Tycka. Jag tycker att svenska är roligt. I think Swedish is fun. Ta. Kan du ta med dig datorn? Can you bring the computer? Få. Jag fick ett paket idag. I got a package today. Ge. Hon gav mig en present. She gave me a gift. Äta. Vi åt middag klockan 6. We ate dinner at 6 o'clock. Dricka. Dricker du kaffe? Do you drink coffee? Sova. Hon sov i 10 timmar. She slept for 10 hours. Bo. Jag bor i Stockholm. I live in Stockholm. Jobba. Hon jobbar på ett café. She works at a coffee shop. Studera. Hon studerar svenska varje dag. She studies Swedish every day. Köpa. Jag köpte nya skor. I bought new shoes. Titta. Jag tittar på TV. I'm watching TV. Bra jobbat. Good job. If you learn these 20 verbs, you will understand a lot more of everyday Swedish in conversations or when you are reading or writing. Here's a small challenge. Try to use one of the verbs from today's video and make a sentence in the comments. I will check them all and see if they are correct or not. If you want part 2, because there are many other important verbs as well, please let me know in the comments and I can make a part 2 or even part 3 and 4 as well. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Swedish content, and follow along to learn more about Swedish verbs and other word classes as well. Tack för att du tittade, thank you for watching, och vi ses i nästa video. Hej då!